Today we're going to talk about the tool that has helped our business generate shorts consistently. And some of you are probably here because you know us from our short videos. So it's called Opus Clips, and it is a paid subscription. I know you said you can use it for free, but if you want to use it to maintain a steady stream of shorts, then you have to pay. It's like $20 for the cheapest option, which works well if you want at least one short per day. So let me sign in here. Just gonna sign in with Google account, and you can see I have a bunch of extra time. So you can drop a link from your YouTube video, or you can drop the file in. If it's a YouTube video, like with a thumbnail, it looks like this. Just the file looks like this. But yeah, I have from the podcast me and Mike was on, the What the Fuck podcast. I think that's what it says, but it's down below, with Lauren Malone. So I'm gonna go in the downloads here, and then it basically needs to upload it. So before it renders, you basically get to choose a few things, and that's the template. Pick one that you like. Then you're gonna go in, select the length. I like to select these three for shorts, even though this is a bit longer. Normally you can cut out like pauses, stuff like that, to actually shorten them down enough so they come out to 60 seconds, so you can change them up a bit, because it's not always perfect, but it definitely helps a lot. So when you're ready, just click get clips, and then we're gonna be back in about 20 minutes time. As you probably can see by the lighting, it's not only been 20 minutes, it's been a couple hours. F1 was on, and I just had to watch it. But once you waited 2 hours, 20 minutes, however long it takes, it's gonna come out looking like this. It gives a score, kind of ranks them as you go down here. You can just download them. I like to always go in and edit them a bit, because the AI doesn't do it perfect. First of all, does the text check out? So I basically just
You would think,
watch
because this
them
is going to be like episode.
like this. We won't let you watch this because you might already have watched this. This might have been a short already. So basically, go in, edit the text if it doesn't fit with what's been said, if it isn't correct, of course, or put in emojis. That's another option you can do down here. If you click in here, there it is, an emoji symbol, and you can basically choose for a bunch. It also does that automatically. Once you've done that, it's also about getting the clips to the right size, because you can see down here I'm not in the center at all. So basically move me a bit. I was real tired. Apparently it looks like it. Once that's done, you hit save and complete. And then it's gonna come out within 5 minutes. It's ready. And go through all the clips, see which ones you like, which one you don't like. I download them, like them, so I know which ones I downloaded it. Once all those clips are done, I like to take them into my editing software and just trim out the pauses you'll notice in these kind of clips. If you have the time, that's great, because in short, view time is a big thing. So you want to have a higher view time by shortening out the pauses, because then people are going to stay for longer. So that's basically it. This is the best tool I have found for making clips, and I do recognize the text part of Opus in a lot of other successful creators' clips and a lot of clips I see out there. So I believe I'm not the only one. So you better start doing this if you want to compete when it comes to shorts, because it gives a very professional looking short for a very low amount of effort of what it would normally take. Because editing this, cutting up the video, getting free video sources there, making it look good, that take a while. That would take a while. So make sure like, comment. What did you think about this? Do you have any other tools you'd like to recommend that compete with this, or something different that goes along with it? Let us know.